Budget Simple Hair presented by Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC Limited. You know how it is on budget day. By evening, there are 50 headlines on your phone and you're still wondering, कौन से sectors चमकेंगे? क्या होगा नए taxation का असर? I am Vivek Law. I've sat through more budgets than I can count. In newsrooms, studios and war rooms with fund managers. And I can tell you one thing. The real picture only emerges once the dust settles and the experts have crunched the numbers. On 2nd February at 10:30 a.m., the morning after the union budget, join me live for Budget Simple Hair, presented by Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC Limited on the Simple Hair Show YouTube channel for a deep dive that's designed to simplify the budget for you. And I won't be doing this alone. I'll be joined by the leadership team of Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC Limited, A. Balasubramanian, Managing Director and CEO, along with CIOs and fund managers who track India's markets and policies day in and day out. Think of it as bringing the fund house's research floor straight to your screen, minus the jargon, minus the noise. It's not a one-way GAN session. It's a YouTube Live, which means you can type your questions and we will answer them for you. Block your calendar for 2nd February, 10:30 a.m. and let's sit down together. You, me and the experts and make the budget simple.